Hello, BoosterBeast here. Today we got some semi-old packs. Well, it's not that old, within the last 2 years. But we got some Crimson Invasion for Pokemon. So hopefully we pull something amazing. 3 packs, 3 pulls. I used to play Pokemon back in the day, so I'm just getting back into it. As you can see with my videos, I post once a week. I am also looking into getting some Flesh and Blood packs. Maybe if I open those up on the channel. We shall see. Every time I call places for Flesh and Blood, they're like, yeah, we don't have any. So, that is that. Okay, we got Pumpkaboo, Snuffle, Geodude, Kekney, Mischievous, Reverse Hollow Jigglypuff, and then our rare is Altuina. We got Energy, Nothingness, Haunter, Counter Catcher, Code Card. Boom, okay. Next pack. We got Shelmet, Swablu, Swinub, Nubble, Minchino, Reversed Hollow Mankey, Salazzle is rare. As you can see, it's rare. Yeah, Salazzle. Very nice. Energy, Haunter, Dashing, Pouch, and Hekamu. Oh. Here's the code card. Hope you enjoy it. Next pack. We got Minchino, Execute, Jigglypuff, Houndour, Spoink. Ooh, is that a reverse rare? Reverse rare Octillery. And then the rare is, yeah, I don't know, Nihilajo GX. Very nice. Energy. What was underneath the energy? Diggerby, Graveler, Piloswine, and then we got the code card. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. The video has been brought to you by BoosterBeast. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next Pokemon video. See you later. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.